Here are 5 things you didn't know about microwave ovens. First, microwaves were invented completely by accident when a radar engineer noticed his chocolate bar melting in his pocket near a magnetron. Percy Spencer was working with military radar equipment in 1945 when he made this sweet discovery. Second, microwaves don't actually heat food from the inside out like everyone thinks. They only penetrate about 1 inch deep, then the rest heats through regular conduction, just like your oven. Third, microwave radiation uses the exact same frequency as Wi-Fi signals. Early microwaves were so poorly shielded they could knock out wireless internet across entire neighborhoods. Fourth, putting a glass of water next to leftover pizza in the microwave makes it taste fresh again. The water creates steam that rehydrates the crust perfectly. Fifth, microwaves are 300 to 500% more energy efficient than conventional ovens. Yet most people blast food at maximum power when lower settings actually produce way better results. This kitchen staple operates on principles we completely misunderstand.